In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to cards in your Trello inbox. Trello is an incredibly useful tool for staying organized and managing tasks. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, sometimes adding files or links directly to your Trello cards can make your workflow even smoother. Maybe you need to attach a document, reference a URL, or share important resources. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to add attachments to your cards within the inbox view of Trello. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Trello's website. That's spelled www.trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and locate the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to sign into your Trello account. You can do this by entering your email address and password into the provided fields. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can use a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft. If your Trello account is linked through your organization, you might be redirected to your company's sign-in page. Just follow any additional prompts that appear to complete the login process. Once you're ready, click on the Login button to access your account. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard or workspace home. From here, you'll need to select the board where you want to work. Look through your list of boards and click on the one that contains the inbox view you wish to use. Once the board is open, locate the inbox view. In many cases, this view may appear automatically, but if it doesn't, look for an inbox menu option and click on it to access this specific view. Now that you're in the inbox, browse through the items listed there and select the card you want to edit. Simply click on the card to open its details view. In the card details view, you'll see various options and sections. Look for the attachment option and click on it. This is where you'll choose how you want to add your file or link. You have two options for adding an attachment. First, you can upload a file directly from your device. Second, you can paste a link to a file hosted online. If you're uploading a file, select it from your computer and wait for the upload process to complete. If you're using a link instead, paste the full URL into the provided field and confirm your selection. Once you've added your attachment, take a moment to verify that it appears correctly on the card. You should see the file name or link displayed within the card's details. Finally, click on the attachment itself to make sure it opens properly. This step ensures that everything is functioning as expected, whether it's a file or a link. And there you have it. You've successfully added an attachment to a card in your Trello inbox. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.